Hi friends, today is a new video about the TikTok application, and today I will show you how to allow or block the duet option for your video on TikTok. First and foremost, let's open the TikTok application, guys. And here you can check the example of this duet video on TikTok. So what does it mean that this is a duet? This option is very cool because it helps us to make the reaction to videos and create interesting content based on other works. As you can check here, you see that this one is divided on different two parts, and each of them has the separated video. So the first one is our work, is our video, and the second one is previously created content by another user. So you can create reactions with this duet feature, and how to block or allow this option for your video on TikTok account. So first and foremost, I will go to my profile page and tap on this plus icon to create a new TikTok. So guys, I'm here and I will record some video after tapping on this central K. So let's start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay guys, let's tap on the check mark. And next, because I'm only interested in these settings before the uploading. So guys, as you can check here, we have the allow duet feature, which is the most important for us. And guys, remember that after deactivating it, you will be able to create the duet with your video, but you will block this option for other users, for your friends, subscribers, followers, etc. But you will be able to create this content with your works. So guys, to disable this option, let's tap on the toggle to make it gray, and to activate it, let's make it green. I will disable this feature to show you the result after turning off, and let's post this newly created TikTok. And after, I will go to the profile page to refresh my feed. This is my new video. And guys, if I will tap on this three dots icon and go to the duet feature, I will have it. But be sure that another users will open the same settings and won't have this option activated. They won't be able to create duets with your work. But if you, for example, want after to enable this duet option, you can go to the privacy settings here, scroll a little bit the menu, and here you can find the same option like allow duet. You can allow it for this video. Be careful guys, because these settings are always saved, and when the new TikTok you will create, you will have the same settings you have now. So if you have the duet activated right now, you will have it enabled when the new video uploading, and in the same way, if you will deactivate the duet, this option will be turned off for the new works. So you need to be careful and control these toggles every time. So guys, I hope that this short tutorial was definitely useful. You can find a lot of other guides on our channel about the TikTok application and other programs. And goodbye guys, good luck!